वेलकम टू पीआरबी क्लासेस। पीआरबी क्लासेस पे आप सबका स्वागत है। इन आवर लास्ट कपल ऑफ वीडियोज वी हैव लर्नड रिगार्डिंग टीचिंग aptitude, general knowledge, general tests and whole other concepts regarding ITEP B.Ed. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the reasonings. This also includes in your teaching aptitude, right? So before jump into the your reasoning part, logical reasoning, analogical reasonings, I would like to draw all of your attention that about the exam preparation strategy. This is my honest attempt. I have made this one. This is your exam preparation strategy funnel, right? How you will face the questions. This is the biggest concept. You, the students, have to understand. First and foremost important is your time management. Within 1 minute, less than 1 minute, you have to solve your questions. See, your general knowledge, general test, teaching aptitude, all are MCQ based. This is also MCQ based. But here you have to apply your mind. You have to apply your brain. Right? First, you have to eliminate the wrong options. Suppose one question, 4 options. First, you have to eliminate the wrong options. Second, practice pattern recognitions. You have to thoroughly, you have to understand what is the pattern. And time management. That is absolutely important. In my second slide, I have taken, since we are going to discuss the reasoning, I would like to draw all of your attention that how to approach a reasoning questions. This is not only for the ITEP B.Ed, but for all competitive exam students, right? That how you will understand the concept, how you will crack the exam. This is absolutely important. First, read the question carefully to avoid the traps by understanding the question and option thoroughly. Identify types, determine the question type to choose the right strategy. Visualize and notes. Enhance speed and clarity by using diagrams or symbols. These are the major 3 parts to approach for reasoning questions. Okay. Thirdly, reasoning question type and strategies. These are the major strategies you have to follow. Read carefully, listen carefully. You must crack any entrance, any competitive exams. But you have to thorough over it. You comment, don't comment, doesn't issue. But the thing is, you have to understand it. Otherwise, all of my attempts will go null and void. Series number and letter. Right? Syllogisms. Direction sense. Puzzle sittings. These are the major 4 types of reasonings you will face in ITEP B.Ed. And other competitive exams also. Now enhance your reasoning skills. I have taken 3-4 slides regarding this. You have to go through. First, applying logic and critical thinking, drawing conclusion, solving problems. Now, come to the logical analytical reasoning. mainly in ITEP B.Ed Entrance, you have to face this logical and analytical reasonings. Majorly, each year questions appearing on these topics, logical and analytical reasoning. So let us go to the questions. We have taken our first question. Find the odd one out. Here I have drawn one shape. इनमें से odd one कौन है? Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. You have to face like these questions. Okay, you just guess what will be the answers. You visualize the picture. Here is the picture of circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Which is odd one? You guess. Let us click here to get the correct answer. The correct answer is circle. Why the correct answer is circle? Because all others have straight sides, where a circle has curved edges. सबका straight side होता है, but circle having the curved edge. That's why circle will be the correct answer. Now let's come to the next question. If cat is equal to 24 and dog is equal to 26, then lion is equal to how much? 46, 50, 56, 58. If cat is equal to 24, dog is equal to 26, then lion is equal to how much? You guess? The correct answer is option B, 50. Why 50? Because sum of letter position L is equal to 12. How 12? You just count from A. A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. Similarly, when you will reach to up to L, L तक कितना हो जाएगा? 12, 12. Right? I9, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I9. O, 15. A to Z, 26 letters. Right? So, up to L, 12, up to I9, up to O, 15, up to L, 14. So, if you add all these things, सबको मिला के कितना होता है? 50, 50. So, lion will come 50. Understood? Hope you all back out all these things. Okay? Let's come to our next question. Our next question is, find the next number in the series 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. उसके बाद क्या? What will be the next? You have to immediate memorize, solve these questions. Less than minute. Right? So what will be the answer? Options are 40, 42, 56, 72. The correct answer is 42. Why it is 42? See, in explanations I have mentioned plus 4. From 2 to 6 plus 4. 2 से 6 कितना होता है? 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4. Then 6 से 12 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 12 से 20, 8 plus 8. 20 से 30 plus 10. इधर कितना पड़ा? 4, 6, 8, 10. उसके बाद क्या होगा? Next it will come 12. So 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. So the answer will be 42. Okay. So you have to understand in this way. Number 4, doctor is related to hospital and as teacher is related to what? Tell me. School, book, class, college. Very easy question. See, doctor is related to hospital. You have to think in your brain. Hospital is the working place. Similarly, teacher working place. Yes? Correct answer is school. Doctor works in hospital. Similarly, teacher works in schools. Similarly, chef work in kitchen. Lawyer, court. Like this working place, you have to understand. Okay. Let us come to the question number 5. If blue is coded as CNVF, then green will be coded as what? HTFFO, HSFMQ, HSFGO, like this. Let us see the explanations, what I have mentioned. Answer is B, HSFMO. Why it is like this? Each letter shifted +1 forward alphabetically. हर एक लेटर शिफ्ट हुआ है एक अल्फाबेटिकली. In a family, now blood relation came. You will face a question from blood relation. आपकी माँ का भाई आपका क्या लगता है? मामा लगता है. आपका माँ का भाई का बेटा आपका क्या लगता है? Like this, blood relation questions will come in reasoning part, right? But not so easy questions will come. Little difficult will come. Medium level of question will come. In a family, A is father of B, C is the sister of A, D is daughter of B. How is C related to D? This is blood relations infographics I have taken. Options are auntie, grandmother, sister, cousin. Correct answer is aunt. Why it is? In explanations I have narrated, C is A's sister, that implies A is B's father and D is B's daughter, that implies C is the D's aunt. Right? In our question number 7, which number is missing? In missing number also you will get a question. 4, 9, 16, 25. Guess what next? You guess? You think? See, 4 means 2 square. 2 square is 4. Similarly, 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Similarly, 6 square, it will be the answers. Let's see the explanations. 2 square, 2 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 4. 3 का स्क्वायर 9. 4 का स्क्वायर 16. 5 का स्क्वायर 25. Next to 6 square means 36 will come. Hope 36 will be the right answer. Yes, option B, 36 will be the right answers. Perfect squares, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Next 6 square is 36. In our question number 8, what I have taken, find the odd pair. Pen is to write, knife is to cut, book is to read, chair is to sit. So what will be the most probable answer? Find the odd pair. Odd pair कौन है? Guess. See, all are pen, write, knife, cut, book, read, chair, sit. Only human intervention is in book, read. Let us see the correct answer. Yes, correct answer is book, read. Why it is like this? In other pairs, first object performs actions Where book? One human will read a book. Chair seat also appropriate because apart from human also anybody can sit on the chair. Okay. Find the next term. WTQ. Options are N, M, P, O. Correct answer is option A, N. It is because each letter moves 3 steps backward. You see, each letter moves 3 steps backward in the alphabet. Right? Now next question, arrange logically. Child, infant, adult, teenager. If child value will 2, infant value will 3, adult value will 4, teenager value will be what? 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 3. Option is answer A, 2, 1, 4, 3. Right? Explanation. Growth order. Infant, child, teenager, adult. Like that I have mentioned over here. My dear students, thank you. Thank you very much for your watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you.